Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 different methods that you can use to make money with Amazon. And look, if you don't like the first method, then you may like the second one, and if you don't like the first or the second method, I can guarantee you that you'll probably like the third one, because if you set this up correctly, it can bring you in a passive income. So you can go off to the beach and drink cocktails or whatever you want to do, and you can earn money if you set this up correctly. But before we get into method number 3, which is my way of trying to entice you to watch this whole video, let me share with you the 2 previous methods. And look, if you don't like what I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video, come over to my blog. There's lots of different articles on here for making money online and from home. And there's also a free members area with more resources. Okay, so let's jump into method number 1 to make money with Amazon. So let's jump over here. Now look, this is over on the Amazon.jobs website, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. But you can see on here, currently there is 5,409 jobs available. And I say the word jobs very loosely because over here you can have full-time jobs, there's also part-time and seasonal. So look, you can find things, in your local area and other bits. But if you scroll down here on the left hand side, past locations and all of this, if you scroll down to the bottom, look at this here. There's currently 129 work from home jobs. So basically, you can do this pretty much from, anywhere in the world, as it's work from home. So if I scroll up here, so now we've gone from 4,500 jobs to 129. Now it'll show you the name of the job role and the specific location. It will show you when it was posted, and if you click on read more on any of these here, it will tell you more about this job role, how much money you can make on here, and lots more. So just simply click on any of these like so. Click on read more and it opens up and it shows you what's required of you, the expectations, qualifications and lots more. So it's basically a huge job site, but working with one of the biggest companies in the world. So that is this one down here. So if you are looking for work from home jobs, let me just get rid of this here. If you are looking for these work from home jobs, just make sure on the left hand side you scroll down to the filter and you click on work from home category. If you don't want work from home, then you can have a look at what's available within your area. But you can go through and find hundreds of jobs on this website here. So that is the first one. It is working from home with Amazon. Okay, so the next opportunity we're going to look at is this one over here, and it's called Amazon Flex. And basically what this allows you to do is, you can start driving and earning money today. Now, it's called Flex because basically with this, you download an app and it shows you, what days are available to work within your area. It shows you, how much you can expect to earn and lots more. But basically, you download the app, you select when you want to work, and then you're delivering and picking up Amazon parcels. Now there is a bit of criteria for this, so obviously you'll need to have Amazon Flex operating within your area. So if you click on here, it will show you the cities where this comes up. You've got to be 18 years or older, have a valid UK driver's license. I'm in the UK, so it's a UK driver's license, but it'll be depending on your location. Have a mid-sized or larger vehicle, and then finally you need to have an iPhone or an Android smartphone. And then you just go through a background check and then you're up and running with this. Now look, there's lots of frequently asked questions on here. So what kind of deliveries, the most important one, how much will I earn with this? So in the UK it says you can expect to earn, doesn't actually give you a price on the UK one, which is very interesting. So you see here it says the earnings may vary. However, if I come over here on the Amazon US site, so flex.com over here, scroll down here in the US, it shows you down here again on the frequently asked questions page. Come down here, earnings. Look, in the US, most delivery partners earn $18 to $25 per hour delivering with Amazon Flex. So that's kind of a rough estimate in the US. If we take this and bring it over to the UK, you're looking at £15 an hour on the low end, up to about £19–20 an hour on the high end. So it's another opportunity for you, and there's lots of availability. With not just Amazon, but delivering parcels anyway, because with everything that's going on in the world at this moment in time, people are ordering a hell of a lot more online than traditionally what they would do. So this is Amazon Flex. So I'll drop links to the UK site here for you. I'll also drop links to the US one. And look, I'm sure that there's hundreds more of these, around the world. Just go ahead and have a look at them. I didn't have a look for, the Spanish one and the French one and other ones because I can't speak those languages and there's no way on earth that I can even pretend that I could understand a website from them. So just have a little play around on Google. But that is the second method, that is Amazon Flex. So we have looked at this one over here, which is Amazon Jobs, whereby you can find hundreds of these jobs. We've looked at Amazon Flex, which is whereby you're a delivery driver. The last method I'm going to share with you, and without a doubt in my opinion, is the best way, is to become an Amazon associate partner. And what that means is basically, if I come over here, I'll just quickly show you this. So scroll down here, you can see from one of my websites in the last 7 days, Amazon have paid me $6.96. And how this works is, if I just scroll down here, I have this website over here. I mean, this is just an example for you. I have lots of these, but basically you can create these websites and it's not difficult. I'll give you a free resource for this in a second, but basically you can create a website or a blog around a specific category or a niche, and you can put articles on there like I've done over on this one, and you can create reviews and lots more. And what happens is people land on your blog or your website and then they click on the links on the page. Like this one here is a link. If I scroll further on the page here, there'll be links in this one here, this one, basically look, the bugger salt. So if anyone clicks on here and goes over to Amazon and purchases this product here, I earn an affiliate commission. I also earn an affiliate commission if they purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking this link down here, or any of the links over on this blog or website. Now, don't let this put you off. If you're watching thinking, well, I wouldn't have a clue how to create a blog or a website, you don't have to, and you can do this completely for free. Now, if I come back over here really quick, so you can see here, in the last, what is this? The last 7 days from this website over here, I have earned coming up to $7, which is not a lot of money in the grand scheme of things. However, this website over here, I have not created any content on this in, I genuinely can't even remember the last time I put an article on here. Probably 6 or 7 months ago, and the majority of this here, like these articles down here, these were done years ago, yet they're still bringing in a passive income, and that's why I love this method here. So you can sign up to become an Amazon associate partner and have these blogs and websites. You can either do them yourself or you can outsource them because they're genuinely not hard to do, and then you can recommend absolutely any products over on Amazon. Anybody clicks that, you earn an affiliate commission. And also, if you just scroll down here, you can see, so in the last 7 days from that website there, we've had 91 clicks, 5 items have been ordered, 3 have been shipped, gives us a conversion rate, shipped items revenues, and then total earnings. Now if I come down here and click on earnings, let me show you this. So what is this? Look here, so someone's clicked a link, they've gone over and they've bought, what is that? TV antenna signal booster. $41, yet I earn $1.68. It's great because guess what? I haven't had to do any work for this because I've done the work previously in setting up one of these websites here. These are known as a niche website because it's in a certain niche or niche, depending on where you come from and how you say that. But these are really simple to do. I'll drop a link to this resource here below for you. This is basically, it's called Wealthy Affiliate. Now, using the link down below, that will allow you to get 2 free websites. And you don't need any technical experience for this, but basically you come over here, look, transform your ideas into profits. Down here, look, build beautiful profit-ready websites. Look, this process takes less than 30 seconds to build a beautiful looking mobile and revenue ready website. So this company here, I'm a partner with these. They've been around for a number of years, but not only will they show you how to build a website around a certain category or a niche, they'll show you how to drive traffic to this. They'll show you how to partner up with Amazon, eBay, Etsy, and many, many more. You can see here, they've been around for 16 years. It's currently in 193 countries, but I like it because It's free, it can get your website up and running today, and not only will they give you the tools, but then they also share the resources with you to get this up and running. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You can see on here we've got videos in here. They not only show you how to build websites, but some people like to flip those websites and lots more. So it's a huge community inside of this wealthy affiliate. But from all of the methods that we have looked at today, whether we are looking at these jobs here whereby we're trading our time for money, or the same one over here where we're driving around dropping off packages, these sorts of niche websites here where you create the website, you put the content on there, you include affiliate links, which is literally just a copy and paste job from Amazon. Give you a code, you copy and paste that into the website, and you can be earning money. And as you've seen up here, in the last 7 days, it's not a groundbreaking amount of money, is it? But I've not done anything to earn that money. Like I say, I've not touched that website or that blog in 6 months, and I have got a lot of these different websites in lots of different categories and niches. I've shared many of them over the months on this channel here. So look, if you want to learn how to do that, the link is down below, and I'll drop links to everything else for you. So yeah, that's it. So if you enjoyed it, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But as always, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.